Emergency Response Repair Project of the Year. Altamont Pass Emergency Slide Repair Project. Caltrans District 4, Kleinfelder. After atmospheric river roadway and slope failures threatened stability along the 580 Altamont Pass Highway, this project was initiated as a safety-focused approach to an emergency response that provided environmental compliance and long-term corridor stability. This project demonstrates measurable safety improvements for travelers that support long-term safety while maintaining existing infrastructure. Fredonyer Temporary Bypass on SR 36. Caltrans North Region, Caltrans District 2, Caltrans Division of Engineering Services, U.S. Forest Service, Tullis Incorporated, Lassen Municipal Utility District. The Fredonyer Temporary Bypass project rapidly delivered a temporary detour on U.S. Forest Service land to keep State Route 36 at Fredonyer Pass open amid unprecedented ground movement. Through expedited collaboration with agency partners, it preserves mobility for travel during storms while a long-term solution is developed. Niles Canyon Emergency Repair. Caltrans District 4. This project involved innovative strategies including a modular bridge system and enhanced drainage solutions to address storm damage effectively. By prioritizing community engagement and utilizing advanced engineering techniques, Caltrans Bay Area ensured the road's resilience and safety for future weather events.